we're going to use a Prismacolor pencil to try to replicate a texture. I'm not trying to create a perfect photographic image of it. I'm trying to communicate its colors. Let's get some more light. Does this work? Is that better? Right. That's a piece of wood veneer. It's called silver gray oak. And so the first thing you want to do is choose some pencils that seem to be the components of that swatch. All right, so I have various grays and browns. It's beyond the scope of this video to list them precisely. Then you want to, let me push this down so you can see what I'm doing. Does that help? So I'm going to draw on here. Then you want to make little test swatches of the colors that you've selected and see how you think it's going to hold up against that. I'm going to work from light to dark. I'm going to select this putty-like color. I need more light here. Let's move this. There's a lot of glare there, isn't there? Is that better? Let's try that. There are streaks. There's the thing itself, right? There are streaks across it. I'm going to layer in my colors. And avoiding the use of black until the end, I'm going to try to get the irregular grain, which seems to modulate in thickness across the swatch. Notice it becomes very, very thin at some point, almost like lines. Can you see that? This is terrible. No. I'm going to pause this while I complete this. Pause the lesson while I complete some of the drawing, and I'll be back. So the putty, the gray and the beige are doing a fairly good job at replicating the color scheme. Then we've got places where the intensity of the grain modulates. So it gets heavy in some spots, very light in others, and becomes more heavy. And we have these little granular specks lying strewn within the gray part as well. You have to be very careful with black because it does become a dead end. The idea is not to create a perfect copy, but to get something of the idea of the material that you want to use in your interior. Thanks.